Jewelry store. Jeweler. Jewelry. Necklace. Earring. Ring. Bracelet. Toe ring. Amulet. Anklet. Armlet. Backdrop necklace. Bangle. Brooch. Cameo. Chain. Chala. Choker. Clasp. Clip-on. Crown. Cufflink. Diadem. Ear stud. Hairpin. Head locket. Hoop earring. Jewelry set. Locket. Mangal Sutra. Medallion. Nutany. Nose pin. Nose ring. Pendant. Pennant. Tiara. Tie pin. Waist belt. Wreath. Medals. Gold. Silver. Platinum. Titanium. Copper. Brass. Stainless steel. Argentum. Bronze. Gem. Gemstone. Pearl. Diamond. Emerald. Ruby. Amethyst. Sapphire. Topaz. Jade. Jasper. Quartz. Turquoise. Amazonite. Amber. Bloodstone. Lapis. Rhodochrosite. So I hope you learned different types of jewelry, metals, gems or gemstones, as well as ornaments in English. So tell me, what's your favorite jewelry? Type it in the commenting section below the video. Until next one, live long and prosper. Take care.